Actor Dhanush recently expressed strong concerns about the use of AI in filmmaking,
Who?
particularly actor Dhanush, Tamil actor Dhanush. Yes. In response to his film Ranjana being re-released with an AI-generated ending, he said that that such alterations can undermine the integrity of storytelling and can also diminish a film's original essence. So, what is your perspective on this?
There's no denying the fact that any AI altered finale or ending of a film is bound to intrinsically impact the artistic character of the film and its original thought process. Of course, it may look more realistic, but it can definitely be seen to be a violation. Had AI been creating a film on its own, then it's a different issue altogether. But once you are repurposing or reworking on another old film, which already had a particular set pattern or a set story, the moment you have an altered AI ending, it could be seen to be violating the intellectual property rights of the concerned stakeholders. And in a scenario, in case if such AI ending is relied upon, then the concerned stakeholders who are relying upon the AI ending in the film can be potentially sued under the provisions of the existing IPR laws, whether it's a Copyright Act or other laws. In any case, seen from another perspective, uh, when a film is created, in this case, say Raanjhanaa or something else, the original, this is an original cinematographic work. The copyright of the same belongs to specific rights owners. Now, once AI picks up the same film and just modifies, shall I say genetically, or shall I say from a finale standpoint or a climax standpoint, it can definitely be seen to be tampering with original literary or shall I original cinematographic work. And that being so, it could be brought within the ambit of uh, infringement. This is all the more so when you read the terms and conditions of all major AI players who say that, look, you are the owner of the intellectual property rights of what you create on AI. Because you give the command, the AI only obeys the command and gives you the output. So since the output is generated by you, you alone become the intellectual property rights owners of the same. So this is bound to be in direct conflict with the intellectual property rights of other rightful owners who belong to whom the original rights in the original film belong. So we are bound to see more litigation. We are bound to see more confusion. And for that, it's therefore very essential that the law must come up with appropriate legal parameters which can clarify the legal position. Otherwise, if the position about legalities is not clarified, then the chances are that this could potentially hinder the further adoption and growth of AI and the AI economy at large, more so for creative content creation purposes. So, therefore, I think more clarity is required. I am of the firm opinion that not only India requires a dedicated law on artificial intelligence, and India is now at a cusp of a global world thought leadership, because what India does is likely to become a benchmarking standard. We can look at what other laws in different parts of the world have been passed, but let's not do a cut, copy, paste. Let's do our own customized approach on how we deal with it. And I think India should be one of the first nations in the world which should grant legal recognition to AI. Because once you do that, then you can make AI more accountable. Right now, if AI is not granted legal recognition, then the only bypass of the secondary way of subscribing liability will be through the company or the coder who's created and who's running this AI platform. That may not necessarily work long term. So I think the quicker the Indian policymakers start giving clarity in this regard, the better it will be.